in a typical boat in the AC panel using the traditional inverters. I select shore power or inverter in the second one or generator in the third one. And that power coming from this or this or this enter in the AC panel. Yeah? In other words, depend of me, depend of my decision, which one? Shore or generator or inverter? That's my decision. Right now, my generator is damaged. I don't have shore power. I need inverter. Sorry, my inverter is not enough to supply the entire boat. No problem, because I know which breakers I am going to use. That was in the past. Today, the situation is a little different with the smart inverters. And now I am going to explain the smart inverters. Let's go. In relation with the previous wiring, in the previous wiring, the AC panel received the power from shore or from generator or from inverter, depending if I select inverter or shore power or generator. In this design, the people say, no. I want that my AC panel, look at my AC panel, always, listen to me, always receive the power from this inverter. Always. No. And what happened with my generator and my shore power? Hey, wait. This inverter have an AC input, and the AC input for that inverter is coming from this automatic transfer switch. And this transfer switch says, okay, I am going to receive AC from shore power, and in this moment this inverter receives power from AC shore power. Some amount of power is directly sent into the AC panel, and other amount of power is sent to recharge the battery bank. Nice, no? Suddenly somebody disconnect the shore power and the generator start automatically, and this element intelligent pass automatically to generator and receive the power from the generator, and once again receive power from the generator and send power, AC power, here. In other words, here at the input AC, this inverter receive power, doesn't matter if it's from shore power or from generator. Then that element decide, is intelligent. The battery bank is fully charged. Okay, I am going to send that power directly into the AC panel. That power coming from shore or from generator. No. One moment. In this moment, the battery bank is discharged. Okay, I am going to send one portion of power for the panel, and other portion with the battery charger located inside of this small battery charger. I am going to recharge the battery bank. Is clear or not? This is a completely different concept. It's a completely different concept. Excuse me. What happens if I don't have shore power connected and I don't have generator running? This element provides power to the AC panel exclusively from the battery bank, invert that current into AC and provide AC. For example, in this moment, I don't have shore. The generator is off. Let me turn on the system. Pay attention. I turn on the system. I am going to wait until the system starts. The system receives 48 volts DC, 48 volts DC, 48 volts DC. And the 48 volts DC, one portion will be sent to the inverter to convert DC into AC. Okay, great. In other words, if I use that one in this moment, is inverting. Is converting DC into AC. Let me check if it's true. Yes, I have power coming in, you see? Okay, now I have power in my AC panel. Let me turn on the lights. Oh, I have lights. Coming from AC lights, not DC lights. AC lights.
Can you run your air conditioner?
And air condition. The air condition start over there. I have air condition and water heater. Oh, let me check here. Guys, look at this. In this moment, is inverting. Suction power from the batteries, convert the power in AC and provide power to the panel. And the consumption in this moment is 436 watts. Air condition and lights. And what about the short power? Is off. Is inverting. Excuse me. With the system running like this in that moment, can I connect the short power? Or I need, like in the previous traditional boat, disconnect this and connect this and turn off this? No. In this one, no. Can you provide, connect the short power right now, please? And the transfer switch is off. Oh, now he understand short power and is providing power here. Is providing power here. We are going to wait a little. We are going to wait a little. In this moment, continue inverting. And now it's charging. It's charging. Look, it's charging the battery. And some amount of power continue providing power for the AC panel. It's not inverting. And here you have the short power. I have the short power providing power, 1600 watts. And now it's charging, it's charging, it's charging. And additionally, it's providing power directly from the short power in my AC load. That's wonderful.